This is a video to help support you and your child with tonight's homework for lesson 11 in unit 1. The first 3 problems ask the children to make a rectangle drawing to represent each exercise and then find the product. So the example I'm going to show you is for number 2, which is 3 times 6. The children should draw a rectangle and then they actually have to tile it. So we instruct the children to use straight lines, so draw 3 rows by going straight across, and then draw 6 by doing half and then thirds. They don't have to be perfectly exact, but they should have 3 rows and 6 columns for a 3 by 6 rectangle. So that would be that portion of it, and then to find the product they would just put what the answer to 3 times 6 would be. For number 4, it says Ashley drew this large rectangle, which is made up of 2 small rectangles. And number 4 says find the area of the large rectangle by finding the areas of the 2 small rectangles and adding them up. This is a very abstract concept that we are just beginning to learn now, but basically we want the children to be able to find the area of the first top rectangle, which would be a 5 by 3, and then find the area of the bottom rectangle, which would be a 4 by 3. And so the easiest way to have your child do this is probably to have them first set up 5 times 3 and then 4 times 3, find those products, and then add them together. And that would give them the total of the area of the entire large rectangle. If your child already understands the concept of parentheses or would like a little extra challenge, they could write the equation with parentheses. So in parentheses 5 times 3 plus parentheses 4 times 3, and this is getting them introduced to the distributive property, something we'll be working on more in depth later this year. And they could solve the equation this way, but we will accept either one of these methods for tonight's homework. And the last one we wanted to discuss is number 8. This is teaching the children that you can split up challenging multiplication problems like 7 times 6 into 2 different parts. So if you look over here, 6, 7, and 8 have them split 7 times 6 basically into 5 6s and 2 6s. So if you don't know 7 times 6, you could think, I know 5 times 6, and then just add on 2 more 6s. And then the children would use the answer to those 2 equations to add them together and find the product of 7 times 6. Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. Thank you very much.